What's up, guys? Gonna make a quick video here for MVIS, one of my best friends and worst enemies at the same time. So we got a little bit to talk about today. This is my first video, so I'm just gonna do a quick, price action video. I use TradingView for my charting and stuff like that, and it works well for me. So basically, what I'm seeing here, today I'm on Reddit. I see a lot of people talking about the dip or whatever. There's been dips every single day, basically, for the last week. Excuse me. And today, I'm looking at the charts. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw this trend line in, right? Just to show you guys basically where we're at. So we're going to do an hour chart. We're going to start with the hour chart. So, in order for us to verify a trend, we need 3 touch points, okay? Right here, you can see if I drew a trend line this way, we would have 3 touch points. Okay, that would be 1, 2, 3, boom, downtrend. Problem is, right here, we broke back above it. So this is a reversal indicator for me, and this is telling me this stock's going to go back up. What's happening right now in the market is very volatile. Okay, a lot of these stocks follow the Nasdaq, they follow the SPY, they follow the main of the market. All right, MVIS is no different. However, if you've done your DD on MVIS, you know that basically the stock's going up, okay? We're trading much higher daily volumes than the other LiDAR companies, all right, which I will show you here. Let me just go to my Webull, and I will show you the volumes right now for these other LiDAR companies. All right, so let's go here. We'll go to my watch list real quick, and let's look at these averages. So today, Laser, which is Luminar Technologies, has an average volume of basically 2 million. Velodyne, which is another LiDAR company, has an average volume of 3.46 million, and Microvision has 12.31 million. All right, so we're trading much higher volume, much higher, and this is not even a lot. The volume today is low, and recently has been low because of all the meme stocks and everything else that's going on in the market. All right, a lot of people have all their money in AMC, GameStop, all this other stuff, so the markets are going to suffer. However, the technology is not. All right, guys, the technology is not going to suffer. If you've done your DD, you know that Microvision is the leading LiDAR company in the world right now. You know that they have something that the other companies don't. However, these stocks like Luminar, they're trading around $30 a share. Velodyne's at 16, so we've already passed Velodyne. Velodyne's not even, I'm not even worried about Velodyne. Velodyne is nothing to MVIS, okay? Luminar, they have a good product. It's clunky, it's big, it rides on the top of the car, it's not very efficient, it costs more money to have and use. Microvision is superior, guys, all right? So let's look at the average volumes are obviously higher. The daily volumes are higher. Now, when we go to the average volume, we're killing it here. Microvision, 19.61 million average volume. Velodyne, 7.9 million is an average, not very high. And Luminar is 13.63. So we are killing him in volume. We're killing him in volume, guys. All right? There's a lot more people trading Microvision right now than there is the other 2 big LiDAR companies, all right? That alone is enough to tell me that Microvision's going up, all right? That alone. Then I look at the charts and I see, okay, we had this breakout here, guys. Like I said, this is a 1-hour chart. We had this breakout here. We went up to about $10, 973, something like that. What was it, 977? All right, then we had this 50% retracement. And then, we kind of consolidated. We just still had a little bit of an uptrend here. We're still going up. You see this higher highs, higher lows right here. Okay. Then we had this boom ski. This boom ski, like my friend Chartology says, we had a boom ski to the moon ski right here. We went from $7 to basically $24. That's amazing. That's incredible. That's huge. You guys can't expect the stock to go up forever. So everyone on Reddit needs to calm down. Obviously, we're going to have a retracement, which is probably going to be about 50%, 61.8%. If I pull out the fib here, we run it from this move up, you could see we had about a 50 to 61.8% retracement. We're chilling right here. All right. That retracement's already happened. All right, guys. This stock is going up. I don't know if you guys know about the Fibonacci, but these levels right here are retracement percentages. So we had this big boom ski. Obviously, the market's gonna correct itself. Everyone sold. They made a shitload of money, and they're like, fuck it. So they sold all their shares, and we had a big retracement down 61.8%, roughly. All right. If I remove this Fibonacci retracement tool, I mean, if you look here, it looks like we're consolidating. Okay, we had this boomski. We dropped down about 50% retracement, and now we're hovering between these two lines, basically. Okay, and this is called consolidation. We touch down, we touch up, touch down, touch up. It's not unreasonable to think that we're going to touch back down. It's just not, and it doesn't mean much either. Okay, we actually want that to happen. That gives you an opportunity to buy more shares, lower your average cost. It's not a bad thing if we go back down to the $13, $14 range. It's not a bad thing. Okay, I'm in MVIS for the long term, as a lot of the OGs are. They've seen much more than me in the time I've been in MVIS, which I got in around 1050. So I got in about right here on this boomski. So, anyways, a lot of this price action, and I use indicators and stuff, and let me turn them on for you. These two indicators I'm using here, let me switch this up a little bit for you guys. So this is the 200, and this is a 50, I think. No, we'll change this to 50. It's more stable. All right. So even on, if I go to an hour chart, guys, the 50 SMA, we're trading right below it, but we still broke above it here. We still broke it, which was a huge trend reversal indicator. I mean, this is a big deal. Going back above this 50 on this, there was a big downtrend going here, and then boomski, we closed above the 50 SMA. We've been above the 200 SMA, which is, I mean, long term, you can see we're not even getting close to it. I mean, we got kind of close to it here, but it reversed. At the end of the day, this stock is going to go up, guys, and I mean, you could expect a buyout any day now. Apple, Google, Microsoft, who knows who's going to buy this technology? Who knows, right? I mean, it's just up in the air. They might not buy all of it. They might just buy one of the verticals. That's the good thing about Microvision is they have multiple verticals, which means they have multiple products, multiple things they're doing. It's not just one thing like the other LiDAR companies, okay? That's what makes Microvision stand out. So, I mean, this company could get bought out any second, right? We could see the news any second. But for now, it's looking like this is I mean, I'm seeing some indicators here that we're reversing this downtrend right here. So I would expect, I mean, the charts tell me that I would expect we're probably going to come down and at least touch this trend line. I mean, honestly, I would think we might touch the trend line. $15.42, $16, something like that. All right, we're probably going to see that again at some point. Hopefully not, but we probably will. But from there, they're just more touches on the trend line. You see, if we got one touch here, we come back, that's 2. We come back up here, we touch back down here somewhere, that's around 18, that's 3. 3 touch points equals a trend reversal. All right, so we need these 3 touch points to really get the momentum going, okay, guys? At the end of the day, I see this stock going well above $24 a share, and that's just my personal opinion. I am new to the YouTube thing and, telling people my opinions on stocks and stuff. Take what I say with a grain of salt. I'm going to go ahead and say what everyone else says. I'm not a financial advisor. Please take what I say with a grain of salt. Do your own due diligence. But I've done it for you, and I'm telling you that Microvision is going up, guys. Hold on tight, because if you're in Microvision, you're going to make some money, guys. Good luck, and I'll see you guys on the next video.